Hello everybody, I wish you're doing well. Today we will continue our project. This part, uh, the 13, 14, and 15 that is here. So let's directly start by 13. So let's create a part design project. Let's directly name it 13 this time. We will not have the problem in future with the assembly design. So let's start. By the center of it, let's create sketch. So let's draw a circle of uh, 26 in diameter. Then let's create another circle that is like this with a diameter of how much is it? 17, 17. Then now we create a circle here with a diameter of, let's just see, it is 8 millimeters. This is it. Then let's, for example, put it here. The coincidence between this and this one. Let's do rotation. We will put 4. So the for instances like this, constraint conservation with a constraint conservation. So since it is like this, we directly fix it like this. So now we can, oh well, we forgot something in this sketch, so let's directly do it by now. Center hole of 4 millimeters. Let's go on. Let's pad it. Let's do it manually and let's see how much would we have of this. Um, this is not. Let's see. Mm, let's see here. Mm, here it is 12 millimeters and it will be 4 millimeters here. So it will be 2x now expanded. So this is it. Done. Now we will draw the external cylinder. 36 millimeters. And with how much thickness? It is 12. 12, but with the mirror extension, it will be 6. I forgot something here. I must add this, but with coincidence. So I can directly do my part of 6 millimeters in every side, like this. Mm, Now, mm, we put this in with 8 millimeters, like this. Let's create a path of also 6 millimeters. I forgot this time to create this hole. So like this. So this coincidence like this. Now I have it. What I can do, I can select it and do mirroring and put it here. Also, now I can do the fillets. With half millimeter. Will be good like this. Let's change the view. This is better. And now the last thing that we have to do is a hole. M3 hole here. So threaded and metric thick pitch M3. So just something to do. Must be coincident with this. So it must be in the middle, I think. So from here to here, we must have a certain distance of 6 millimeters. Yes, let's go up now. I think now it is fully constrained, so this is it. Just don't for this 13th workpiece. Let's save it, or let's give it a color first. Mm, mm, and let's save it directly. Let's create a new workpiece. So 14. The 14th workpiece will be this. So we will have an external M3, I think. Is not an intern. Let's see. Yes, an external M3 and this. So it will be an M3 here. Let's take this side and let's draw a 3 millimeter circle. Let's pad it. So now let's thread it on its all distance and from here, for example, let's choose the depth, this, and metric thick pitch, 3 millimeters. So it is an M3 like this. I think it is good. Let's review it. It's good. Good. Mm, then now we will create. Don't know why. I think it was 2 millimeters, but let's compare. It is 2 millimeters. Mm, let's spot it. This 5 millimeters. So this is it. Mm, and we will have this here. So I think it is 1 millimeter by 1 millimeter. Let's take this. Let's put this as midpoint if I can. Yeah, that's no, can't do this. So let's search now. Like this. So now it is directly a midpoint. Let's put It's here. Consider. And this coincident with this. Let's put 1 millimeter here and 1 millimeter here. Let's put it in mirror. So like this. Now let's give it a color if it has. Yes. Let's put a color. So this is it. Let's save it. The 15th workpiece now. Where is the 15th one? I think it is here. So this is it. It is 4 millimeter cylinder by 32. So like this, let's create a thread. So it is 4 millimeters here and 10 here. Let's put that is standard M4 metric pitch here. So we said it is 4 millimeters, 4 and 10. And now with that and on this side. So not for this time, but 10 minutes. So this is it. Let's give it a color. So this is it. Oh, let's save it. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next tutorials and cheers.